No time for lazy bones today. We got work to do. We're going to be getting our hands dirty, or down on our knees, doing it up. We got a zillion weeds that we got to contend with, so don't be griping and complaining. But let's go over and see how the seedlings are doing first. It was nice to be in Kitchen Stadium last night, but man, is it going to be cold tonight. But look at this. That's called a blue sky with just a hint of clouds. How glorious. Look at how the little seedlings are doing. I'm waiting. No eggplants up yet. So, I don't know. I'm hoping my markings. I guess this is the eggplants on this end. I guess this is another some other tomato, I think. I'm not sure, but looking pretty good. Let's head out front. Let me grab some gloves and my trowel. I haven't seen the knuckleheads today, which is kind of unusual. They're usually here, but I'm enjoying the quiet. I bought the green thumb here, the Widowmaker for weeds. This should be pretty good. I want to try to get some roots. I guess I'm going to try to start up here. I'm going to leave the front to last because a lot of people will be coming by and I got to move out of the way. So I guess I'm going to start down here and just start moving down the side. I'm going to move into here. Told you guys before, I'm really disappointed about the weed barrier. Really, apparently did a really lousy job. But check out the weeping flowering cherry tree. This is really going to be spectacular over the next few days. Explosion of pink. Let me get in position and get going. I'll get some of these high non-hedge weeds later, but let's get going in the front little by little. Let me show something first and I'll be back with you guys. Got the towel on your knees. I so regret I let this go for so long. This is good. This is going to be a real job. My knees are already killing me. And what am I, about 8 feet? 8 feet in. What a great chance to practice the virtue of patience, huh? Onward. Don't for a second think my heart's really into this. This is hi. This is as bad. This is as bad as it gets, but it's looking good. It's automatically widening the look of the entranceway here, which is good. But it would be good to have this concreted over one day. The guy almost hit me behind me. Turning around here. What I want to do next is pop inside of here and bite the bullet and get all this cleared out. Make a nice set piece for the weeping flowering cherry tree. So I think I'm going to move into there and do that next. Slowly but surely. We're working on that car up there. Days. Boy, isn't that nice? Don't you wish you could just blink the camera and it's all pulled out, all those weeds. Now we have a Japanese weeping flowering cherry tree. It looks well set against that background. And it should be in full bloom by Easter. That'll be exciting. So we've gone all of 18 feet. But I am undaunted. I'm going to give another good hour. Hope I can make it down to that point down there, at which time I'll be in the 3 Great Lakes and the day will be done. So let me keep rolling. Well, it's been about 3 hours and I'm pretty much exhausted here, but I'm pretty happy with the progress that was done. You'll probably be able to see exactly where I left off over here, as well as some of the horrors that still await. And some of you may be saying, well, Rosie, weeds do grow back, but I'm pretty much resigned to the fact that I'm going to try to keep things up. So, barring any weather disasters, which is hard to say in 2023 so far because it's been nothing short of a disaster, but oh, we needed the rain, so we're all happy. I will be back by the 3 Great Lakes tomorrow and doing it up for, hopefully we'll make it down to the home stretch down there and continue this exciting process forward. For now, my friends, I will leave you with this thought. Don't do as I say, do as I do. Or, in other words, keep putting off till tomorrow what you should be doing today. And you can have a mess with that behind me. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for all notifications here. I think it's going to be a year in the summer to remember here, as starting to do a little homesteading and things like that. And, well, it's a good thing to train your patience once in a while and do some of the ugly tasks that have to be done. In closing, please subscribe, thumbs up are appreciated, and thanks for being along.